Good morning, students. In this class, we are just practicing the problems, and these are related to the molecular formula and empirical formula. In this question, what we have to do, what values we have, how to solve. A compound on analysis give the following percentage composition, and this following percentage composition: sodium 18.59%, sulfur 25.8%, hydrogen 4.03%, oxygen 51.58%. Calculate the molecular formula of the crystalline salt on the assumption that all the hydrogen atoms in the compounds are present in combination with the oxygen. As water of crystallization, the molecular weight of the compound is 248. So this is the question, how we have to solve this question. That is similar to the previous question which we have solved, and as the same we solve this question. So see how we solve this question. First of all, we write the given percentage quantity of different elements there. We write the percentage quantity of different elements given in this particular question. See what quantities are given. We have Na, that is 18.59, sulfur 25.8, hydrogen 4.031, and oxygen 51.58. So that is the percentage quantity which we have. Atomic mass of these elements: sodium 23, sulfur 32, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. After this, writing the atomic mass, moles of mass, we get the moles of mass. How we find out this moles of mass? We divide the percentage quantity by their atomic mass, Okay, and then we get the different values in this result. Like in this first, we have 0.80. In this second, we also have 0.8. In third, we have 4.031. In fourth, we have the value 3.22. The value is 3.22 is there. Now what we do, we again divide all these given quantities by the least quantity, and this least quantity is 0.80. This 0.80, 4.031 divided by 0.80, here 3.22 divided by 0.80. Okay, then we have result, that is 1, it is about 5 we have, and in this it is about 4 we have in this. So that is the simplest ratio of elements we have there in that particular results. And what is the use of these simplest results? You know that in the empirical formula we write the simplest ratio of the elements which are present. In empirical formula, we write the simplest ratio of elements, and in this what we have, sodium 1, then after sulfur 1, hydrogen 5, oxygen 4. So these three elements we have, and we write this formula Na1S1H5O4. This is the empirical formula we get. Now empirical formula mass, the value of empirical formula mass 23 plus 32 plus 5 multiplied by 1 and 16 multiplied by 4, then the total is equals to 124. The total of this is equals to 124. It is 32 plus 5 plus 64. When we give the addition, the last digit is 4, 11, 14 and 16. That is the value. The total value is 6, 11 and 14 and that is 6. The value we have is sodium is 23, sulfur is 32, that is 5. What we have, that is 23 and 25 and 30, 25 and that is 55 and that is 60 and 60, 124. The molecular mass given in the question is 248. The molecular mass given in the question is 248. So we get the value of N. N equals to molecular mass by empirical mass, and the value is 248 divided by 124, that is 2. And the molecular formula which we get is molecular formula equals to 2 multiply Na1S1H5O4, and the formula we get from this is Na2S2H10O8. This formula we get by this multiplication. So that is the molecular formula which we get there by using this. So that is how we solve this problem. Now see that 5 H2O molecules. This in one H2O, that is the one H2O molecule. If we divide this by the 5, we have H10O5 there, and in this particular molecule we have Na2H2O3, Na2H2O3 dot 5H2O. That is the formula, and these water molecules are present in the the crystalline form of water. We again check 2 sodium there, 2 sodium, 2 sulfur, oxygen 4 and 5, 5, 8 and hydrogen 10, hydrogen 10. So that is the formula where water molecules are named as a crystalline water there. That is how we solve this kind of question given there. Thank you.